How to fix cancel state incompleted IRP error in Windows. 1. Update Windows regularly. 2. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Run the BSOD troubleshooter. 4. Run the SFC scan and DISM as admin. SFC/scanodism/online/cleanup-image/scan helpdism/online/cleanup-image/check helpdism/online/cleanup-image/restore health 5. Check the hard drive. Potential errors. 6. Uninstall your antivirus using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 9. Run your Windows in its clean boot, then remove problematic applications. 10. Check for hardware errors, from RAM to CPU.